I'm back again. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Roar. What must I do? I have a plan. Today we eat. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah. Guess what? With a puré de malanga. I feel so sorry because it's already done. But don't worry, I'm gonna make another recipe and show you how to make it. But guess what though? I'm gonna teach you how to heat it up when you get it out of the refrigerator. Still, how to heat it up when you get it out of the refrigerator without using a microwave. Okay? So watch and pay attention. Puré de malanga. Puré de malanga. Yes, sir. This is what we're gonna do first. Scoop it, where are you? Scoop it, where are you? I use this scoop it. Yeah. Yeah. Get the scooper, you stick it in the bowl. Like that. Then you put it. Put it and put it. You see, I'm a rapper. Put it and put it. Put it, put it, put it, put it, put it.
That's not even funny, bro.
Don't forget. Put it. Pour the puree. Yeah, this is delicious, guys. This is full of vitamins. It's full of minerals, all types of iron. This is a lot for when people get sick in hospitals and they can't eat. They have to eat very light foods. This is a food recommended for them. This is very good, especially like if you have broken jaws, if you're suffering from new like gallbladder removal and you have to get you can't eat heavy. This is light. You can eat this with a straw. Drink it through a straw. So now, guys, what I do now is, hold up. I'm gonna heat it up. I'm gonna put it about what, medium? And now let it come down to a simmer. Okay, guys? So this is the way that I just heated up the puré de malanga. So now, so you guys could learn something also in this video. The puré malanga goes very good with rice. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get this rice. I'm gonna get bowl, and I'm gonna cheat. Yes, I'm gonna use the microwave for this. I'm not gonna use the microwave for that. I'm gonna use the microwave for my rice. If it doesn't, what did I teach you guys? If it doesn't fall off the what? The spoon, it's not ready. Okay? Like chicken come off the bone, rice come off the spoon. Okay? Yeah, look, yeah. Oh, came off the rice. Oh! So yeah, right there, yeah. A little more, cause you know what? I'm starving. This video no editing, no nothing. This video going up, man. This video going up. So, guess who came back? Today, we bought a new one. We had to go to we had to go to the place where they have them and see if they had a little brother that looked like him. And look who's back!
Greenback! Get me! Greenback!
And I'm cleaning again.
Stop cleaning with my bag!
Oh! Yeah! Reheated. So, what we're gonna do now, we gotta wait now. We gotta wait for it to heat up. Maybe that might be the only editing I do is speed it up after that part there, you know? Put it away, guys. Put it. A clean kitchen is a what? A happy kitchen. I miss you so much. This little guy right here. I'm not gonna say nothing, guys. I'm not gonna say nothing. Practice what I preach, right? I forgot. Put it away. Put it away, my friend. Put it away like a nice person. Hurry up! Hurry up! I'm starving. So yeah, so it is very good for your health. This is healthy foods. This is like junk food. This is puré de malanga. This is very good, especially to use the bathroom. You have to use the bathroom. It's good to eat this. It is very good. It warms you up inside. Makes you feel great. And it's different. You know, all that greasy stuff we eat every day. Everything's bad nowadays out here. Everything. You know, so I'm just talking with you guys to keep you entertained for a little bit while it's cooking, because it has to heat up. So yeah, you know what, the rice, I can't even wait. I'm gonna start heating up the rice. For y'all. Come on, puree. Oh. Little mix there. Come on, hurry up. And I ain't even doing the simmer, right, guys? But yes, that's how you really do it. You had to come down to a simmer. But that's when you cook it for the first time. When you're heating it up, you just heat it up, okay? So let's get that straight. When you're making it for the first time, yeah, you gotta bring it down to a simmer, everything, and you let it simmer. But when you're just heating it up, because it was already made, all you have to do is heat it up. Give it a little stir. Give it a little quick stir like this. Because one thing about it is I don't want no spoon in the night, because then when I take it out, then I gotta go like that and something gets stuck in the spoon a lot. It's freezing cold still. Turn off the heat a little more. Just a little bit. You see where it's at? A little above medium high. You see? Okay. Look at him there. He's so, oh my God. Hey, how you doing? Look at him. Hey. This guy's going crazy. Yeah, man. So yeah, this is how it should look on your plate. This malanga. Yeah. With the rice in it. Give it a good mix, guys. Good mixing. This is delicious. This is incredible. Taste this, guys. Taste this, guys. Oh man, look at this.